Russell Brunson's 2 Comma Club live event has helped me to identify what the most people are doing wrong in the world and what I should be doing for the rest of my life to create a very successful, comfortable, luxurious life and also make a lot of money in the process. Hi, my name is Srinath Vishwanath and today I'm going to share with you the concept that I learned by attending the 2 Comma Club live event which will be happening just once or twice a year. Okay, so the people in the world can be categorized into 4 levels depending on the type of the work, depending on the way they are working to make money. Okay, now so the first level is called implementation. Now the people in this level or in this category will be using their muscles to make money. Okay, will be using their time and muscles to make money. Okay, now the examples of the people in this category are all the job holders and all the daily wage laborers or else all the employees in some business. Okay, or all the hardest working people comes under this level called implementation, because they will be using their time and they will be using their muscles, right? Whether they are doing some software job, or else whether they are like daily wage laborers doing all sort of works like cleaning, lifting weights, all other. Okay, all the hardest working people will come under this category called implementation. And the highest earning potential to the people in this level is up to 40k US dollars per annum, whether it's as a salary or it's as income. No matter how many jobs they change, no matter how much experience they may get, their earning potential is limited to 40k US dollars per annum. Okay, so the next level is called unification. Okay, so the people in this level will be using their management skills to make money. Okay, now the examples of the people will come under this category is all the managers in the companies, whether it's a software company, hardware company, or else the managers in some businesses, or else the business owners who hire the people to who hire the staff to run their day-to-day activities in the business will come under this category. Now because they are using their management skills here. Okay, although they are doing a job, they may be doing some kind of job, but they are using their management skills, the earning potential of this level will be higher than the first level. Okay, so the earning potential of the people in this level will be up to 40k to 60k US dollars per annum. Okay, now all the 90% of the population will come only in one of these two categories. Okay, but the actual fortunes or the actual money, all the millionaires, billionaires, and all the huge earners will fall under the next two categories. Okay, so the third level is called communication. Now the people in this communication level will be using their mouth to make money. Yes, they will be using their speaking ability to make money, whether it's online or else offline. Okay, now and the examples of the people in this category are all the motivational speakers around the world. Okay, for example Tony Robbins, if you know Tony Robbins, or else in India you can see Vivek Bindra, you know, right? All the motivational speakers, what they are doing, they are using their mouth, they are giving speeches, they are giving seminars, they are conducting like some classes, right? They are conducting online courses, they are selling online courses, right? So all those motivational speakers, all the people who are selling digital courses, and also the people who are doing YouTube videos, as I said earlier, because as I said in my previous video, doing YouTube videos is better than doing job, right? So this is the reason why I said it. All the people who are making YouTube videos, specifically how I said in my previous video, will also come under this category called communication, because they are using their mouth to create YouTube videos, right? They have just got some knowledge in their interested field and they are using their mouth to share the knowledge. Right, now the earning potential of the people in this level is very huge when compared to the first two levels. Okay, so the earning potential of this level people is somewhere between 100k US dollars to 100 million US dollars. Okay, so here you can understand now, to become a millionaire you should be working in this level. Okay, you cannot become millionaire by working in first level, or you cannot become a millionaire by working on in second level. You should be working at least in third level to become a millionaire. right? So this is where the actual money is made. Okay, now the fourth category is called, fourth level is called imagination. The people in this level will be using their mind and money to make money. Okay, now examples of the people who are working under this on this level are all the billionaires, all the millionaires. Okay, for example, Steve, if you take the example of Steve Jobs, what he has used the most, he used his imagination, his mind to create an innovative idea, right? And he used his mind to create the product, and he used his communication, his mouth, to market it to the hundreds of people, right? So you know what, so you know how much valuable the Apple company is today. Okay, and also Amazon, what Jeff Bezos have used in the beginning, he just got an idea, he used his mind to create an idea of selling stuff on the internet, selling books on the internet, right? So he executed it, and you know how much valuable the Amazon is. These are the billion and trillion dollar companies, right? And also if you take the example in India, what like Mukesh Ambani is doing currently, you know, they just launched the DTH plan, where they will be providing all the OTT subscription and the DTH, they combine these two and providing to the users, right? What they're using, what he's using, what Reliance Industries is using, their imagination power to create innovative idea, right? Now we should be working in one of these two categories to become millionaires. Okay, and if you want to like achieve the level of billion-dollar status, or if you want to run a billion-dollar company or business, then you should be leveraging these two levels. Okay, you should be using your imagination, your mind, money, and also you should be using your communication, your mouth, to market the products. Okay, now all the billionaires will be using leveraging these two levels. Okay, they are not working in first or second level. All the millionaires, all the billionaires in the world are using these two levels, or leveraging these two levels to create huge money, to create billion-dollar worth companies. Okay, so these are the four levels that people are categorized into. Okay, this is not something which I invented or I am saying. Okay, I learned about this concept and I discovered about this concept by attending the 2 Comma Club live event which happened in past month. So in which the people who are already successful, the people who are already millionaires will be teaching about the concepts. Okay, I learned this from them, and they derived this after watching all the type of people, after analyzing all the types of different categorized people, and all the people are have been categorized into these four levels. Okay, now let me tell you how we ourselves can leverage both imagination and communication to make more money and more luxurious life. So for example, if you are an expert in something, if you know how to do something, whatever it is, like if you know how to cook something, if you know how to play guitar, if you know how to read books, if you know how to jump, dance, how to run Facebook ads, how if you know how to create websites, if you know how to whatever, if you know something, then you can create a course, or else you can create a model with which some other people can also follow it and achieve the same result. For example, if you know how to cook a delicious cake, okay, yummy chocolate cake, then you can calculate all the ingredients you will be using, the weight, the quantity and the weight of the ingredients that you are using to create such a yummy delicious cake, right? Now you can create recipe, and you can clearly mention how much of this cocoa powder should be used, or how much of the egg use should be used in the quantity, in the numbers, right? Now that you have made a recipe, now anyone in the world who don't even know how to cook can also take this recipe and follow it exactly to get the same taste of your cake, right? Or else if you know how to create website, how to create an e-commerce website, you can create like digital course, you can explain step by step process in some videos, and you can combine them as course, right? So this, by following the course, anyone can create same e-commerce website. To create the course, or to create some recipe, to create some framework, you use your mind, right? So that anyone following your course, or anyone following your recipe can get the same results that you get. Okay, so the conclusion is, if you are good at something, you can use it to create a framework with which someone can follow the same steps and get the same result that you can get. Okay, if you can play the guitar very well, you can create a course teaching people how to play the guitar, so that someone goes through the course and learn every step that you are teaching them, and also can play the guitar. So now it's up to you to decide in which level you should be working. There is no particular order to these levels. Okay, it's not like first you should be going through first level, then you should come to second, then you should be third, then fourth. No, it's not like that. It's all about deciding how much money you want to make in your life. Okay, and how you want your life to be unfold. Okay, and after you deciding, then directly jump into one of these four levels and start working in those levels. It's not like going from first to second to third. No, it's not like that. It's directly selecting the level that you want and working in it. Okay, so the business model that I shared you in my previous video, the 4-step process, is also comes under these two levels. Okay, because you are learning something and you are sharing something by using your mouth, right? You are using your mind to create something, you are using your mouth to share something, you are using your mouth to create videos, courses, digital courses, and also you are using your mouth to sell something. Okay, I hope you understand this concept, and if you don't understand, you can ask me, you can DM me, and also like this video and share this video with your friends. With that said, thanks for watching. See you again.